How to clean the fans on your Asus Tuf gaming laptop. So I got here my Asus Tuf or TUF, and here are located my fans. All you have to do is to remove the back lid, or what it is called, the background cover. You will have to unscrew each screw one by one and remove the cover. It will take a time until you remove it, and the next step is to clean your fans. One is here and one is here. As you can see, they are not much accessible. I like to use the old toothbrush and brush the fan all around. You can brush one by one and then use the vacuum cleaner and simply remove the dust from your fans. So mine are already cleaned, but I recommend you to clean it this way, and once you are done, put the background or the back cover back and your fans will be cleaned just using this simple method. So if you find this video helpful, please consider subscribing and see you next time.